Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simple Spoken English. Today's video is a complete masterclass on one of the most powerful methods to improve your spoken English quickly: shadowing. If you want to speak naturally, confidently, and fluently, don't skip this video. This is the technique that changed my students' lives, and it can change yours too. Section 1. What is shadowing? So, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to someone speaking and immediately repeat what they say as accurately and quickly as you can. Imagine you're literally shadowing them, like their echo. But it's not mindless copying. It's active, focused listening and speaking at the same time. It forces your brain to connect sound, meaning, and pronunciation instantly. If you've ever watched a child repeat what adults say, you've seen shadowing in action. It's one of the most natural ways to learn a language. Shadowing improves your pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, speed, and listening comprehension, all at once. It's the closest thing to real-time conversation practice you can do alone. Section 2. Why does shadowing work? Why is shadowing so effective? Because it forces you out of passive learning into active production. Many learners watch videos, read books, listen to podcasts, but they never actually practice speaking. Shadowing breaks that barrier. You hear and immediately speak. You train your mouth and brain to react in English. It also fixes your pronunciation naturally. Instead of memorizing IPA symbols or complex phonetics, you copy real native-like sounds. You learn the music of English: stress, pitch, intonation. It also helps with thinking in English. When you shadow regularly, you stop translating in your head. Your mouth and mind start to produce English sentences automatically. Many advanced speakers, actors, interpreters use shadowing to train. It's one of the most recommended methods by language experts. So if you want to sound more natural, you have to speak more. And shadowing is the best bridge between listening and speaking. Section 3. How to do shadowing. Okay, so how exactly do you do shadowing? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose your material. Start with short, clear audio or video. This could be a YouTube video, podcast, audiobook, or even my lessons here. Beginners should pick slow, clear speech. Advanced learners can use movies or fast conversations. Step 2. Listen first, don't rush. First, listen carefully. Understand the meaning. If there's a transcript, read it. Step 3. Shadow line by line. Play one sentence, pause, repeat it out loud immediately, trying to match the speed, tone, rhythm. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Step 4. Focus on accuracy. Don't just mumble. Try to copy exactly what you hear. Sound like them. Focus on pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Step 5. Repeat multiple times. Do one sentence 3 to 5 times, then move to the next. Repetition is your friend. Step 6. Full audio shadowing. Once you're comfortable line by line, try playing the whole audio without stopping. Speak along in real time. This is pure shadowing. It's challenging, but it's amazing for fluency. Step 7. Record yourself. This is essential. Record your shadowing. Listen back. Notice where you sound different. Fix those areas next time. Step 8. Make it daily 5 to 10 minutes every day beats 1 hour once a week. Consistency is the real secret. Treat it like brushing your teeth. Bonus tips. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going. Start slow. Speed comes naturally. Use subtitles at first if needed, then remove them. I will provide 100 sentences in the next part for you to practice directly with space to repeat. In this video series, I'll guide you step by step. Today, you learned the why and how of shadowing. In the next part, I'll give you 100 daily use sentences with pause space to repeat. Then we'll do story shadowing for real-life conversation practice. If you want to transform your English speaking, don't miss any part of this series. Hit like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help you master English one shadow at a time. Let's do this together.